Want Claude to query your database, read your team's wiki, update tasks in linear. MCP servers give Claude access to any tool you can imagine. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It's a standard for tool servers. Anyone can write one. Claude Code talks to them automatically. Database, API, search engine, whatever connects. Add a server with Claude MCP add. Pass a name and the launch command. Claude restarts the server every session. The tools become available immediately. List your servers. Claude MCP list shows every connected server, the tools each one exposes, and its current connection status. Inspect what's available right now. Use it. Claude reads the available tools and calls them when relevant. Ask about a database row, Claude queries the MCP server. No glue code needed. Claude figures out which tool to use. Build your own. The MCP SDK has Node and Python flavors. Define tools, return data, register the server. Custom company tools become Claude tools. 3 things to remember. MCP servers expose tools to Claude. Claude MCP add installs them. The community provides ready-made servers for common tools. Save these commands for later. The full sheet is linked in the description below. Try it now. Run Claude MCP add file system and let Claude read files outside your project. Next episode, Subagents running 3 tasks at once. See you there.